Welcome to Block 7. In this video, we will explore Sunroom House in Tsukaguchi, a home designed by FujiwaraMuro Architects in Japan. Covering an area of 105 square meters, this house was completed in 2024, replacing the client's family's old home that previously stood on the same site. The design of this house adopts a concept of two separate volumes, where the main living areas such as the living room, dining room, and kitchen LDK are separated from the private rooms. This division occurs not only in the floor plan, but also in vertical sections, creating dynamic spatial relationships. The split-level floors enhance the sense of spaciousness and enable open communication among residents, even when they are in different areas. One of the key elements of this house is the sunroom located in the LDK area. The client's request for a sunroom became the starting point for a design exploration that ultimately led to a unique solution: a sunroom that appears to float in the air. This decision was made after considering factors such as reducing the building volume, cost efficiency, and creating an inviting atmosphere. The suspended sunroom at the center of the building is not just an aesthetic feature, but also serves a functional role in illuminating the house. Light from the skylight above the sunroom reflects and diffuses through the glass, creating a soft glow that illuminates various corners of the house in unexpected ways. At night, the sunroom transforms into a natural lighting element, resembling a glowing lamp within the home. In addition to its lighting function, the sunroom also serves as a green space inside the house. The plants placed inside can be enjoyed from various angles, including from below, offering a unique visual perspective. This feature enhances the aesthetic value while bringing a touch of nature into the interior space. The house also showcases an interesting combination of materials. Exposed concrete and steel in various parts of the house highlight the beauty of raw materials that evolve over time. This creates a spatial experience that continuously changes, allowing the residents to discover new ways to appreciate their home every day. Sunroom House in Tsukaguchi is an example of how innovative design can transform the way we interact with space. With careful consideration of lighting, materials, and spatial relationships, this house delivers a dynamic and unique living experience. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more home design inspirations on Block 7.